Problem 16. Each of the points A, B, C, D, E, F in the figure below represent a different digit from 1 to 6. Each of the 5 lines shown passes through some of these points. The digits along each line are added to produce 5 sums, 1 for each line. The total of the 5 sums is 47. What is the digit represented by B? So in other words, let's just try to write out all of the possible sums, right? The first sum is A plus B plus C. The next sum is A plus F plus E. The next sum is C plus D plus E. So I've considered this line, I've considered this line, I've considered this line. Not consider the other ones. We have B plus D, so that considers this line. We have B plus F, right? That considers this line. We also have, what else? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be it. We have these possible sums. And we are told that when we add them up for each of the 5 sums, the total of the 5 sums is 47. So when we add these all up, this gives 47 in total. So let's do that. If we add it up, let's do A plus A, we get 2A. Let's do B. We have 1B, 2B's, and 3B's, that's plus 3B. And then we have C, so we have 1, 2, we have 2 C's. And we have how many D's? We have 1, 2, we have 2 D's. We have 1 E, right? Or rather, we have 2 E's, rather. So we have 2 E, and we have 2 F's, right? We have 2 F's right here. So now we have simplified this, and this must equal how much? It must equal 47. So they all must represent a digit. So let's just try to, plug in every single one, and we can kind of see it. But let's try to simplify this even further first. We have 2A, we have 2C, we have 2D, 2E, 2F. So that's equal to 2 times A plus C plus D plus E plus F plus 3B. So in other words, this is an even number, right? And an even number plus an odd number, or whatever number this might be, will give you the answer. So first of all, let's try to break 47 down into the sum of 2 terms, right? One is even, one is whatever. So this obviously has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just guessing here. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then what is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5? That's 3, 6, 10, 15. 2 times 15 is equal to 30. Well, 30 plus 3b is equal to 47. Would that work? Well, 3b is equal to 17. B would not work. So this cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change it up. Let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? If it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then that would just be the sum of 30, right? Or sum of 15 minus the 5. That would be 10. And then we add the 6, which is 16. So that's 16 times 2 is 32. Plus 3b is equal to 47. Well, would that work? Well, 3b would therefore equal 15, and b would equal 5. That's a valid solution. So therefore, a valid solution would be E.